Hey everybody, another exciting episode of Roy's Garage. It's been a long time. This past winter has been really slow and dead for me, so stuff is starting to come back to life. I mean, I think during the COVID, people weren't spending very much money on stuff like their classic cars or whatever. So, but this week we got a 67 Chevelle. 67 Chevelle convertible. And the reason it's here, owner tried to paint the car himself and got into some trouble with the paint job. It just came out, it came out real rough, no shine. And it's like serious orange peel and just no shine whatsoever. So he tried it with single stage urethane. I don't know if he had the wrong hardener and reducer, it was too hot that day, or what happened, but why it's here is I'm gonna sand the whole car down and respray it. So that is why it's here. Yeah, I don't know if you can really see it, but this whole car is really rough. It's really rough. It's like sandpaper, but it's just a sand and shoot. Rest of the body and everything else is good on it. We're just going to sand it smooth and respray it blue. Okay, people, that's what's going on. We got this one to work on. Catch you later.